Today we have something really special and important. First of all, we have a guest. Who are you?
My name is Vaibhav Mallya. I'm a personal trainer and a certified yoga instructor.
And what do you do actually?
I lead software engineering teams.
Software engineers can be strong too, and that's what we're here to show you today. What are the exercises that we need to know as software engineers to keep our bodies strong and to keep us coding for longer hours? Because how else are we supposed to get those PRs in on time?
So I like to start every workout, let's say it's about 45 minutes to an hour. I like to start it with about 10-minute block of warm up. I like to just walk for 5 to 7 minutes. If I don't have space to walk, you can always skip, which is surprisingly.
I'm gonna get to skip?
Yeah, you're gonna get to skip. So one thing I have to insist on is we re-examine the feet. So humans did not evolve with shoes, and either going barefoot or using socks that are appropriately carved is gonna be much better.
He's trying to get foot pics.
No. Yes. All the way up. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get our heart rate up. We are getting the feet moving, tight hip flexors, tight psoas, and rectum is a huge problem for people who sit in chairs all day. And being able to do this motion is going to do a lot to get that activated.
Already out of breath.
You can just get back to walking.
I love walking.
Treadmills are obviously great for this, but we don't have access to one right now.
I love walking.
Fold forward to a lunge with an exhale. When we're warming up, want to really get into these static stretches. That'll weaken the foundation and make our strength training less effective. So that's why we're doing all this motion instead of just saying down.
I don't stretch most of the time I work out. One day I will do a split. You ever seen that Japanese workout video where it's this woman with a bunch of like anthropomorphic poodles and she's working out and she has she's very normal looking, but then on her joints, instead of joints, they're just little fleshy balls. That's my end goal.
I like to do a quick little affirmation before we actually start the workout just to get us on the right track. So let's just stand.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, yeah. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just say this. I'm strong.
I am strong.
I'm capable.
I am capable.
I got this.
I got this.
All right, let's get to work.
These are split squats.
Bulgarian split squats or rear foot elevated split squats.
Yeah. And what's important about these is that if you have been on my Twitch stream, and I've said this many times, if you want to have a thick ass, big juicy booty, you one, watch my Twitch stream so I can get partner, and two, do this workout.
Stick out that leg. Yep, now stand up and move that left foot on the, yes. You'll notice a few different things going on here, right? Obviously the front leg is being worked out. You have your quads, your calves are being used for stabilization, your glutes are gonna get hit. But what I like about this is it also gives you a bit of psoas release, a tiny amount of stretch here. When we do this motion, whoop, right here, it forces us to not crunch up and give that psoas a bit more breathing room. So I like it a little better than classic back squat. This is an alternative to the squat that is a little better for balance and a little better for opening up your hips. So I think it's a little more functional.
What's your favorite function?
Favorite function? That's a good question. I'm actually quite fond of the default dict library in Python. I've used it to solve a lot of machine algorithms problems because it gets rid of so much boilerplate. We're gonna do a row. And to do the row, let's check this out. We set the back, legs are strong, big breath in. Now we row, driving up with the elbow.
Do you gotta throw it back first?
I wouldn't say throw it back. I would say that you want to start in a favorable position, and that means this upper part of your back is ready to go.
Throw it back.
I wouldn't go down here and start.
I wouldn't mean throw it back like this, but I mean throw it.
Yeah, and pause at the top. 1 second pause, good. Strong back.
This is just for posture.
Yeah, that's good.
We're doing it.
So I have the slant board.
But yeah, you brought this down. What is it? Why do I care about her?
So slant boards are great for strengthening your knee in unexpected positions. Straight down like this is called a cyclo squat. And what this is going to do is it's going to emphasize more of the VMO which is this part of the quad,
Yeah.
then simply doing this becomes a piece of cake, right? And when we go down, we're just gonna whoop, just go down straight. Yes, and then we come back up. Very good. Down, right back up. Gonna hold it up here, goblet position, go. Come up.
Wait, hello? This is like a horror movie. I'm so scared. Bro?
Try this. Plant, then go.
Okay.
This also should be plenty of resistance for you. Okay, so we have here band. Yep. There you go. You can also put your hands in the loops. Yes, this is really good for posture. Your elbows flowing out again. Really emphasize adjacent to the rib cage.
Let's just say you're a software engineer. You have 5 minutes between architecture meeting. You want to do something to strengthen your wrist. What are you doing?
One thing you could do is you can hang. It turns out that simply hanging is a really good fundamental motion. Doing this for even like a minute a day, or building up to a couple minutes a day, is going to work wonders for you.
This is the proof that I am 7'10".
Bring your feet up like this, so you're fully off the ground. And bring your thumb underneath. So we're going to come up, and when we bring our hands down, we're going to rotate them in front as long as we can, and then we flip them open at the last minute. So there's something called a CARD, a controlled articulated articulation, which takes us one through all of its range of motion, and it's good for a lot of things. It's good for mobility, it's good for recovery. Now we're going to go the other way. There you go. Now you're good.
Oh, ooh.
Nice work. You did
Thank
good.
you.
I mean, look, starting is the hardest part of improving yourself, so just get to work, try some stuff out, and see what works for you.
Oh my God, you're so motivational. Thank you so much for this. I had a great time. This was so much fun.
So I am Strength Algorithm on TikTok, and I am at Mollyvay on Twitter.
So if you are curious who I am, you could find me on the internet at Ending with Allie on everything, including Minecraft. So I'm trying to get Twitch partner if you are not following me and watching me on Twitch. And I usually tweet about going live on my Twitter. So that's the end of the video. So bye everyone, good luck, have fun, and don't die. Bye.